Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want your iPhone to automatically help extend battery life when needed? In this video, I will show you how to turn on Adaptive Power Mode, a feature that intelligently helps reduce power consumption to extend your battery life. Before we get started, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Open Battery Settings. Step 2. Turn on Adaptive Power Mode. Step 3. Learn how adaptive power mode works. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, open battery settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Then tap Power Mode. Step number 2, turn on Adaptive Power Mode. Look for Adaptive Power Mode. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your iPhone will intelligently make small performance adjustments when needed to help extend battery life. Step number 3, learn how adaptive power mode works. Once enabled, your iPhone automatically helps conserve battery by making small adjustments to performance and power usage when appropriate. This helps your battery last longer without requiring you to manually enable low power mode every time. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your iPhone model, region, and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple or any smartphone manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to turn on adaptive power mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone and Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.